about the game, paddle game?
Well, paddle is growing very quickly in India, so we're very excited to be able to bring this level of paddle players to the country. I think it's the first time that world champions, renowned players have played in India. So I'm sure it'll give a boost to all the sports fans and paddle fans.
So how different or similar is it to tennis?
The scoring is exactly like tennis, but the sport is a hybrid between tennis and squash, so it's not similar at all because you get to play off the glass, a lot of angles, obviously a lot of power, but a lot of strategy required.
So for the layman, is it what? Is it more exerting and tasking as compared to tennis? Or is it
I wouldn't know because I haven't really played paddle at that level, but it looks very physical, it looks very demanding. So a professional sport at any level is pretty demanding.
what is your expectation? How will the Indian population take up this game?
So I think like I said, when you see the best in the world play, I'm sure it inspires a lot of kids, and I think paddle is growing very quickly in India. So I think this is going to help that fuel that growth, in my
But we
opinion.
need that infrastructure for the paddle boats and all, which is quite expensive as compared to the tennis court.
Well, they're already growing. I think this year there's 400% growth of paddle courts in the country. So if that growth continues, then soon in the next 5 years, they're already talking about paddle at the Olympics in LA. So I think the sport will continue to grow.
So whom are you pitching for? Which team would you think is the favorite to win?
Cheetahs.
What your game? Your guess, Cheetahs. And anything you would like to say to our youth, Indian youth?
No, I'm just excited that the tournament is 2 days in and looking forward to a great final on Saturday.
What do you think was the response that is fetched from the media and the Indian people?
I think there's been, it's getting better every day. I think we're looking forward to a packed final. And like I said, it's the first year. We're going to grow the event every year and make it bigger and better.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Different mechanism to allocate the team, which I am not aware about. The owners have spoken to us directly, and we collaborated with them, and that's how it was given
The
to
owners
us.
already have chosen their players, and you have the option
Yes,
to
yes, they have a process and system to choose the player, which we are never part of it. It is about only team we always talk
because
about.
in IPL it is the owners who are part of the team
Yes,
picking
yes.
and
I hope they grow to that level where paddle will become like that, and it becomes such a big sport.
do you have any idea about the prize money of the winners of this event?
No, no, I really don't have any idea about it.
Questions? Further questions?
We have global footmarks. We primarily into travel products, loyalty products, and fintech products.
So how was your team's performance today and yesterday?
Today they are still yet to perform. The match will start at 6-7 o'clock. Yesterday was brilliant. Team really did a lot of hard work, and it paid off well. We are really thankful to God that we won yesterday. And of course, winning is a amazing experience. But today we'll do better, and let's hope for the best. We look forward for the matches.
The inspiration for Mr. Sohail Khan was his son, who told him that he's interested in the game. Who was your inspiration? What made you think of buying your team?
Oh, so we are associated to paddle since last season. Uh, I had the same team last year as well, and I think that's the biggest reason we are still associated with them. But yes, beyond that, paddle is a fastest growing sport, and now it has been recognized in Olympics. So we believe that paddle will globally have the fastest mark in the sports industry, and we look forward to see the sports growing better. So tennis and paddle, we really look forward to have a good sport in the globally.
Tennis is already